What's going on, everybody? Everything Credit here. Just doing my daily updates. As you can see, this client had a Kohl's Capital One removed on all three bureaus, as well as a Cavalry removed from Equifax. Their score went up 67 points on Equifax, 3 points on Experian, and 9 points on TransUnion. Previous report pulled on June 16th. Reimport summary July 17th. If anybody's interested in signing up for Credit Solutions, go to my website, everythingcreditllc.com. Click on sign up for Credit Solutions. Send me a text message, let me know you have filled that information out. Also go to My Free Score Now to sign up for credit monitoring that is required for me to do the work. Hope y'all have a great day.